In front of me is Redmi 17 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by launching Gallery section and deciding if you want to delete your photos from Photos or one of your albums. Whatever you decided, all you need to do is hold one photo and click on this icon at the top right corner to select multiple right away. If you want to select multiple but only from the chosen section, like today, click on Select All at the top right corner of it, like that. To keep any photo, click on this icon at the bottom right corner of it. To delete the rest, use Bin button at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!